Welcome back sa Google Ads Masterclass. So today, I'm joined by JA, who represents the perspective of many of our students. What sets this course apart is its collaborative nature. So we're not just here to lecture you, we're here to engage. We want you, our students, to feel heard and represented. That's where JA comes in. So JA is a freelancer. Just like many of you, he's starting from scratch with Google Ads. His role is crucial in this course. Sometimes I might use words or talk about things that seem easy to me but might be confusing for our beginners. JA will help point those out so we can explain them better.
I got you.
Let's begin. We'll create your first Google Ads account. This is a very straightforward process. Ang kailangan nyo lang is an email address. So if you have an existing Google Ads account, though, you can skip this next lesson.